Hello, I'm Rolf, and you're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. On today's menu, we're going to do smoked bison burgers with smoked Gouda cheese. And to start with, we got 1 egg in the bowl. We're going to add some Roosters for Hire sauce. Oh, you know, about that much. We got 1 pound ground bison. And let me cut a few fingers off here. More fingers off here. There we go. Gotta get all the goodness out of there. I'm gonna try to get 3 burgers out of this 1 pound. Okay, our seasoning. Today we're using garlic, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and 1/3 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, and this will be in the description down below. And we combine. Time to get dirty. I know you guys out there, the professionals, going, oh, you shouldn't be working it that much. Yeah, it tastes good no matter what I do. And we'll call that done. I won't bore you with the details. I'll separate it into 3 equalish parts, and I'll make some patties. My next step, remove that bowl, set that aside, remove the glove. The root, cut the stem. See if we can peel it. Oh, we were off to a good start. Go. Now we're going to cut it right down the fat part. Some fairly thick slices because we're going to be popping these on the grill. Uh-oh. Went off course there. Too late now. Let's see if we can do it this one. Get over there a little bit. like to lose a fingertip. Oh, that'll be fine. 3 burgers, 3 slices. We'll keep that, chuck that on the grill also. And there we have it. This is going on the offset smoker today. I'll be using some apple wood for the smoke. And I'll meet you out at the grill. Okay, sometimes I get ahead of myself. How about we make a little spread for this? Got about a half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to be using yellow mustard today. Give it a good squeeze. Oh, about that much. A little bit more. There you go. And a squeeze of some garlic paste. A little bit more. And to top her off, some less sodium soy sauce. I'll gargle about by that much. Now we mush it all together. Take a little taste. Touch more mustard. Yeah, that should be fine. All right. Now we'll see you out at the grill. Well, let's get the burgers on. And we wait. What say we put the onions on? Oopsies, lost a piece of that one. No big a deal. And we'll be back. Let's give these burgers a flip. A piece of apple there. Getting mad. Let's give a piece of onion to get mad at. See how these onions are doing. They're doing. Uh-oh. That one's ready. Got back on fire a little bit. That's what I like to see, a little charring on them. bring out the flavor. Check the temp on the burgers. That's Celsius. That's Fahrenheit. Running about 140. Let that sit for a few more minutes, then we'll get the cheese on them. Let's see if we can't get a little toast going on these buns. I'm just going to do them one at a time because I tend to burn them. The bottom's looking good. Top's got a little burn. Next, let's check the temp on the burgers. It didn't have them come up yet. I'm gonna keep going now. And I think we can pull the onions. What's left here? And we can throw the bun back further and make it burn faster. There we go. Now you're talking. See that? Quick like a bunny. How many seconds before it burns? Oops, sorry. Perfect. I'm going to give these guys a flip and a rearrange them. Move it closer to the fire. And we'll be back. Tell you what, how about we get the spread on the buns? A little stir, a little scoop. That's right, top and bottom. I'll be back shortly. So I pre-cooked the bacon in the toaster oven. We're just going to throw it in here, let it warm up. And I think we're going to get the cheese on. smoked Gouda. Is it any Gouda? Don't mind me. And we'll wait. Let's pull the bacon. Ooh, that's what? It's on the hot side. You put bacon over a fire, it gets hot? Who'd have thunk such a thing could happen? Look what I done to my gloves. It's okay, we clean them right up. Burger number one. Oh, look at that, huh? And burger number two. Burger number three. A little onion on top. Some more bacon on top. And the bun. Give them a little squishing. And there you have it. Smoked bison burger with smoked Gouda cheese and bacon and special sauce. Hey, thanks for watching everyone. Have a good day.